Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight I'm coming at you with a 3-box 2013 NFL Mixer. First box we're going to do is Momentum. We'll follow it up with a box of Supreme and close it out with a box of National Treasures. Let's keep the hot streak from last night going tonight. Want to see some boom, baby. And good luck to everyone. Let's hit something nice for you guys. Alright, we will show the base though. Jacoby Ford, Santonio Holmes, Josh Gordon, and a Kenny Vaccaro. And I believe that is numbered. It is 23 out of 49. One off the jersey going to Terry. And there's a hit. There's a Kenjon Barner that does get shipped out. Carolina Panthers going to Jonathan S. And for the hit, Sam Montgomery autograph going to the Houston Texans, going to Jonathan M. Jonathan, that trade worked out for you, buddy. And that's going to be 183 of 599. Actually, that trade that you didn't make worked out for you. All right, Kenny Britt, CJ Spiller, Jimmy Graham, Matt Ryan, and we have a Monty Ball rookie going Denver Broncos, going to Kenneth P. And the hit. Barkevius Mingo for the Cleveland Browns, going to Ryan C. Ryan, that trade did work out for you, buddy. And that's 368 of 599. Ryan, that's actually a lot better signature than we've seen some other players. We've seen, what, check marks and one letters and everything else, so his isn't too bad. LaShawn McCoy, Peyton Manning, A.J. Green, Cecil Shorts III, and a Tyler Eifert rookie going to the Cincinnati Bengals, going to Will H. And I think we have a nice nasty patch here. Let me see. For the San Francisco 49ers. Oh, wow. Vernon Davis. Nice, nasty patch. Jonathan M. There you go, buddy. That's a nice hit. Let's see what that's number 2. Wow. Boom, baby. 4 of 5. There's some mojo right there, buddy. Nice hit, Jonathan. Greg Jennings, Ben Roethlisberger, Justin Blackman, Michael Crabtree, and the rookie is Jarvis Jones, Pittsburgh Steelers, going to Stroker Ace Kid J. And our hit is going to be Mike Gillespie, Miami Dolphins, going to Molina. And that's going to be number 365 of 399. Jeremy Backlund, Dwayne Bowe, Carson Palmer, and a Beyond Werner Gold. Going to the Colts, Terry D. 5 of 99. And the rookie, Christine Michael, Seattle Seahawks. Going to Stroker Ace Kid J. And the hit is going to be for the Bills. Whoa, quad relic. Rookie team threads. EJ Manuel going to Shoei. That's going to be number 76 of 299. Nice hit for Shoei there. Josh Freeman, Heath Miller, Reggie Wayne, Wes Welker, and a Matt Scott rookie, Jacksonville Jaguars, Jonathan S. Thank you, Todd. Appreciate it, brother. Hopefully we can get close on that and do it up. And our hit is going to be for the Arizona Cardinals, Stephon Taylor. Going to Ty B, who didn't want the Cardinals. Told you the Cardinals were loaded, Ty. 264 of 299. And I will tell you, Ty, there is a gentleman who collects cards that are number 264 of. So if you DM me, I might be... Wow, only 3 left? Holy moly. Will, I might be close to you on EJ Autos, though. Ty, if you DM me, I can try to find him for you and let you know if you could DM him about that card. Anyway, Jamal Charles, Dustin Keller, Marshawn Lynch, Colin Kaepernick, and a Tyler Bray rookie. Kansas City Chiefs. That's going to Brian. And our hit. That there isn't. He likes that number, and I don't. There was a reason for it, and I don't remember it. Dallas Cowboys. Terrence Williams. Nice hit for the Cowboys. That's the gold version. Going to Shoei. 121 of 399. All right, we got 3 left. Should have a few more autographs in here. Asante Samuel, Derek Johnson, Tom Brady, and Jordy Nelson to the back. The rookie Gavin Escobar going to Shoei. Oh no, you got me beat on EJ. I think I got about 7 or 8, but I'm close to you, Will. Autograph. Oakland Raiders are getting a hit. Tyler Wilson. Who got the Raiders? Brian P. He never stops hitting. 157 of 199. Steve Johnson, Darren McFadden, Cam Newton, oh, Joseph, I hit a lot of 101s. Justin, put that on eBay, man. That'll go for decent money. Richard Sherman and Denard Robinson rookie, Jonathan S. And let's see what our autograph is. Miami Dolphins, Dion Jordan going to Molina. Molina, I told you these Dolphins were good for you. No, but you got close, Terry. You were close. 19 of 49. Nice hit. And our last pack. Tony Romo, Aaron Rodgers, Arian Foster, Alfred Morris, and to the back, the rookie is Arthur Brown for the Ravens, going to Tucker. Hey, what's going on, Eric? How are you? Long time no see. Ooh, Marcus Wheaton for the Pittsburgh Steelers, rookie triple autograph. That's going to Jay Stroker Ace Kid. There you go, buddy. And that's number 8 of 99. Yeah, Melina, you should give that to Chris over Shoei because Shoei wouldn't trade you. All right, we're doing Supreme. And then we remove these. All right, good luck. Supremes will ship. All cards will ship in Supreme. No, triple relic, Melina. Not a book. Unless it was a redemption for a book. But we do have a Marlon Brown. And there's an eBay 1 of 1. Fitty of Fitty. Baltimore Ravens. Tucker, you thought you were done with those Ravens, Tuck. Ooh, I'm seeing pretty color in the back. Uh-oh. Frank Gore. Almost another eBay 101. 98 of 99. Going to Jonathan M. And the rookie, nice rookie, 57 of 170. Tavon Austin going to Brent. And this is a red. I believe the reds are out of 5. I could be wrong, but I think they are out of 5. So good luck, everyone. Looks like Zach Ertz. Oh, 1 of 1. Oh, it doesn't stop. Who has the Eagle Stroker? Ace Kid J. There you go, baby. Melina, let's get a picture of that. Boom, baby. Jay, I got you your 1 of 1 that you wanted, brother. Got a 3-color patch. There you go, buddy. Now you don't have to say you don't get hits anymore. 1 of 1. Jay, congrats, brother. I'm going to throw that in a 1 touch for you later, but it's safely on the side for right now, my friend. Nice, Jay. Who was the 1 of 1 last night? I forgot. Oh, yeah, Matt Barkley. Duh. Yeah, Eagles on fire. And 2 1 of 1s in 2 nights for the Case Breakers. Now for what you guys have been waiting for. National Treasures. Click, click, boom, baby. Eric, it's been a while since you've been here, man. It's been a while since you've been here. How have you been, sir? Do the 1 of 1s. That was just a straight box sitting there, guys. Do the 1 of 1s ever stop? Not a book, I don't think, but a little thicker than normal. Yep, I'll do the extra NT for you guys. And now let's fill up the baseball. And I'll still do the giveaway for the baseball. Because as I told a couple of you, it'll fill by the time we get in the room. Or when we get in the room. Hey, I am a Paul Heyman guy. We do have a book. Okay, my bad, we have a book. Come on. I don't want to see who the book is. Full Alphabet. There's a base card stuck. There it is. I don't want to see who the book is. And we got another 1 of 1 in here, guys. Are you kidding me? At the Case Breakers, we are on fire. We are on fire. Bilal Powell, 4 of 25 for the Jets. Ed D. We'll take the card from the back. 38 of 99. Jelani Jenkins for the Miami Dolphins, going to Molina. A book and a 1 of 1. The Case Breakers, guys. We hit it big here. Ooh, there's a nice Jamal Charles Pro Bowl materials. 9 of 99. Kansas City Chiefs. Going to Brian. 14 out of 99. Manti Te'o Quad Relic. 3-piece jersey and the ball. San Diego Chargers going to Ed D. And then we have Ryan Kerrigan, 23 out of 25, 2-color Pro Bowl patch. Going to Stroker Ace Kid. And another eBay 1 of 1, number 1 of 25. Whoa, that's pretty Bobby Mitchell. Look at that patch. And I'm not familiar with what team he's on, so let me take a look. And, oh, man, I got to do this. Because the book's in the back. The printing plate is the next card. That is the Cleveland Browns. Ryan, weren't we talking about the Brownies? Ryan, there's a nice boom baby for you right there. Yep, printing plate, Molina. 1 of 25. Nice hit. I'm going to take the plate and put it to the back. We don't want to see it just yet. That's a thick plate, too. Holy cow. We'll go to the autograph. Mike James, 80 of 99. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Chris M. All right, Chris, there's a nice hit. We got a Hall of Fame autograph. For the Pittsburgh Steelers, DeMonte Dawson. That's a nice hit for the Steelers. Going to Jay, Stroker Ace Kid. Man, we got so much nice stuffs here. The book is next. So we want to do the book last, I think. There's the Ryan Kerrigan. We'll go to the printing plate. It's autographed. I thought for a second it was going to be RG3. But it is. Philip Thomas. Molina, let's get a picture of that. Washington Redskins. J, 2 1 of 1s in one night. Are you kidding me? 2 1 of 1s in one night. Boom, baby. There you go. Now, we should know where your loyalties lie, brother. All right, let's see the box. I'm sorry, the book. Let's see the book. It's out of 49. I do see that. It's a nice patch. Wow. It's a Philly night. It's a J night. Matt Barkley. And Jay, that's going to be number 5 of 49. 5 of 49. Jay, that was some break for you, brother. Congratulations, my man. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check us out at www.thecasebreakers.com and follow me on Twitter at thecasebreakers. Boom, baby!